Fraction of an amount. In maths, the word of will always mean multiply. So if you're asked to find a fraction of a quantity, you change the of to a multiply, and you're multiplying then a fraction and a whole number, or a fraction and a mixed number. So in example 9, we can see we're finding a fifth of 75. So what we need to do is replace the of with multiply. So it's a fifth multiplied by 75. Now to do that, we need to put the 75 over 1. So we need to have a fraction multiplied by a fraction. Then we look and see where we can cancel any top with any bottom, and we can see that the 75 and 5 can both be divided by 5. And if we divide them by 5, we get 15 and 1. Then to multiply fractions, we multiply the tops together. So that's 1 multiplied by 15. We multiply the bottoms together. That's 1 by 1. That's 15 over 1, which is 15. To work out 3/8 of 3 and 5/9, the first thing we need to do is replace the word of with multiply. And then we change the 3 and 5/9 into a top-heavy fraction. Now in one whole there are 9/9, so in 3 wholes there's 27/9. So in 3 wholes and 5/9 there's going to be 32/9. We look and see where we can cancel. We cancel with any top and any bottom, and we can see that 8 and 32 are both divisible by 8, and that will leave 4 and 1. 3 and 9 are both divisible by 3, so we can cancel it. We can divide 3 by 3 to leave 1 and 3. Then multiplying through by the tops and multiplying through by the bottoms, we get 1 times 4 over 1 times 3, which is 4 over 3, which is 1 and 1/3. Example 11, Scott earns £240 per week. He spends 1/3 of his wages on rent and a half on food. What fraction of his pay is left? So what we need to figure out is how much he has spent. So he spends 1/3 plus 1/2. To add fractions, we need a common denominator. The common denominator here is going to be 6. To get from thirds into sixths, we multiply the denominators by 2. So we have to do the same in the numerators. So 1 times 2 is 2. To get from halves into sixths, we multiply the bottom by 3. So we need to multiply the top by 3. And that gives us 3/6. Altogether then, we have 5/6. So if we spent 5/6, then it stands to reason that there's 1/6 left. Now, how much money does he have left? So what we need to work out for that is a sixth of £240. The word of means multiply, so it's a sixth multiplied by 240, which we need to put over 1. And then we see where we can cancel. And the 6 and the 240 are both divisible by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 240 divided by 6, well, 24 divided by 6 is 4. And then we put in the 0. So we've got multiplying across the top, we've 1 multiplied by 40. On the bottom, we've 1 multiplied by 1. 1 times 40 is 40. 1 times 1 is 1. 40 divided by 1 is 40. So the answer is £40.